Zach here from Raise 'em Up Homestead. Wanted to give you a quick update on the house and where we're at. So if you look behind me, we've got it all level. I got the floor joists all supported and ready for the subfloor. We got insulation in today, and now I'm going to be putting subfloor in starting today and over the weekend next week. Subfloor, and then the sheetrock will be going in shortly.
So while Zach is in the house working hard, I am in the garden. The kids are trying to help me, but it is out with the old and in with the new, and we're pulling out dead squash vines, and I'm trying to, and some dead tomato plants, and then trying to fill in those spots with my fall garden. It's kind of a slow process, but we're trying to get at it. Okay, here, give me one. Go. Are there more?
Yeah.
What? Okay guys, as you can see, Zach got the drywall done. Now, the fun part is the ceiling. So let's see if the two of us can sheetrock the ceiling together. This should be fun to watch. Okay guys, so we are using a drywall bit. So it's a special guy that sinks your screws in, but it prevents them from going all the way through your sheetrock. What it does, it makes a little dimple so that you can then mud and tape over this, well, just mud, and it'll be nice and smooth and that you won't ever see them. So you can see it kind of has like a little divot around. So if you're gonna be doing drywall, I highly suggest you spend the $6 and get this. Okay guys, we did it. Now, if you ever want to test your marital bonds, fix a house up together, especially sheetrock. Oh, now we do not claim to be professionals. If you can have somebody do sheetrock for you, hire them. They're worth it. But we're on a budget, so we pieced her together. Now it's time for some mud and tape. So while this room is gonna look nice and put together, same with the bathroom, we're doing this house one room at a time. So the rest of our house still looks like this. Next room on the agenda is the living room. We want to make this comfortable come winter time because we won't be able to hang outside. So, and then we'll move on to this half of the house. But for right now, we wanted a bathroom, a bedroom, and a living room. I'll probably still be cooking meals in the travel trailer, but still a roof over my head. So follow us and see how this all turns out. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.